Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be driving from Halfway Tree to the Kingston Wharf. So we are currently on Hagley Park Road, and that's where the intersection of Maxfield Avenue, Hagley Park Road and Eastwood Park Road. So we are on Hagley Park Road now, heading towards Kingston Wharf. Now this road was recently renovated. As you can see, it's a dual carriageway. The white lines are in the road. You have the concrete barricade, you have the street lights, and you have a lot of stoplights. So the government did an excellent job in renovating this road, and this is a model for which all the main roads in Jamaica this is what the main roads in Jamaica should look like one day, all of them. You have quite a few that look like this. You have Barbican Road, you have Constant Spring Road, you have Marcus Garvey Drive. So the government is doing an excellent job in fixing these main roads. Now these main roads are maintained by the NWA, National Works Agency. This falls under their portfolio, but not all the roads in Jamaica fall under their portfolio. The parochial roads, those are controlled by the parish councils. Okay, so this is Hagley Park Road. On the left is the Ministry of Local Government. You have a lot of retail stores here, a lot of warehouses. On the left is MPM, National Solid Waste Agency. There's a car dealership on the left. You have a lot of car dealerships and a lot of auto parts stores on this road. Love FM is on the left. You have medical disposables on the left. Coming up on the left you have tire warehouse. On the right is Qualcare, that's like a distribution center. On the left here now you have Juicy Patties, and you also have the Domes, and you have another government agency over there. The Domes is like a plaza, but you have a retail store at the front, and then you have warehouses attached to those stores. So it's like the trade center. You have a small storefront, and then you have storage space at the back like a warehouse. Now Hagley Park Road is one of the busiest roads in Jamaica. The busiest road is actually Mandela Highway, but Hagley Park Road is one of the busiest roads because it takes you from Halfway Tree to the wharf. You also use this road if you're going to downtown Kingston. It intersects with Marcus Garvey Drive. It intersects with the Portmore Expressway. So it's a very busy road. Now the busiest intersection in Jamaica is actually the intersection of Hagley Park Road that we are on and Spanish Town Road. And because that intersection is so busy, a double overpass was built there. Not just a single overpass, but a double overpass. And it's actually the only double overpass in Jamaica. Okay, we're now at the intersection with Walton Park Road. If we turn right, we go into the Olympic Gardens area. If you turn left, you go down to the downtown Kingston, takes you into the West Kingston area. Alright, so straight ahead you see the overpass. So it's only natural that if Halfway Tree is the busiest place in Jamaica, the busiest overpass would be on one of the roads leading to Halfway Tree. So if you're coming from downtown, you're coming from the wharf, you're coming from Portmore, you're coming from Mandela Highway, you would reach Halfway Tree by coming up to the intersection with Spanish Town Road. And here you can see the overpass. Very nicely done, I must say. Government did an excellent job. Wow. Really, they couldn't go behind us. The government did an excellent job in building this overpass. The actual project was done by China Harbour Engineering Company, and we are on the upper or the higher of the two overpasses, which is the Hagley Park Road overpass Below us is the Spanish Town Road overpass, and then on the ground level is the original intersection. So straight ahead is the wharf. The correct name is the Kingston Container Terminal, but it's just referred to as the wharf in Jamaica, Kingston Wharf. And that's actually the largest port in Jamaica. And it's on the Kingston Harbour. And the Kingston Harbour is the 7th largest natural harbour in Jamaica. Sorry, in the world. And the port of the Kingston Container Terminal is a port on the harbour. One of many ports, but it's the largest port in Jamaica. Okay, so we're now going on to Marcus Garvey Drive. On the left is the Tinsel Pen Aerodrome. It's where you land the small planes. I have a training school over there, but it's not that busy a facility. The runway is not big enough to accommodate the larger planes, so it's just used for domestic travel within Jamaica. Alright, so this is Marcus Garvey Drive. As you can see, it was recently renovated. Very nice road. This is actually a 6-lane road with a concrete barricade, white lines, street lights, good signage, new stoplights. Very nicely done. I have to give the government credit. Now this is something you don't want to see. Unfortunately it happens. But this person is crossing the road. I mean, this is a 6-lane road. It's like a highway. Cars travel very fast on it. They travel at a high speed. It's very dangerous. And you see how high the concrete barricade is? That was to prevent people from trying to cross it. Now that person is going over the barricade. If they should ever slip or something goes wrong and they drop in the road, that's a very serious accident. And recently the government was, this month, June is Road Safety Month, and one of the things that the government was talking about that is the way pedestrians cross the road at the wrong spots. The pedestrian, there are a lot of accidents happening like that. It's very unfortunate. I mean, you understand, this is where the pedestrian crossing is. It's controlled by the lights. So that person should come down here, cross here and go back, but that's a very far walk. So you can understand, but it's still very dangerous and it's not something you want to see, especially going across 6 lanes. So it's very dangerous. Okay, now we are going to turn on to Newport West, and Newport West is the area where the wharf is. But Newport West, basically people just refer to this entire area as the wharf. This is actually Newport West. Alright, and this wharf is where you have, okay, there you can see the sign port entry, and then if you go straight and if you turn right, that's the Newport Boulevard and Kingston building. It should say Kingston Freeport building, but so this is the area. This is now the wharf. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.